Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Google Drive link to share files. So guys, at first go to your drive. Now I will show you how to share this file. So guys, at first you have to manage the people and link who can have access to the file. So first of all, select the file you want to share. I am selecting this one and tap on the three dot icon. Now tap on manage access. And guys, let me tell you something, that there have two ways to do this. The first way is if you want to share your files with just one or two people, then you have to click the people plus icon in the right of the corner. Then you have to just enter their email address here. After you're done, then tap on the send icon. And the person has been edited. And once the person has been edited, the link they will be able to access your files. Now I will show you the another way, and that is if you want to share your files with everyone. For that, again you will have to tap on the three dot icon. Again go to manage access. Now you can see the change option below restricted, so tap on it and tap on the arrow beside restricted. Now select anyone with the link. And as you can see, the permission has been updated. Now anyone with the link can access your file. But now all you have to do is copy the link of this file and share it to other people. For that, go back, select the file and tap on the three dot icon. Now tap on copy link. After that, the link will be copied on your clipboard and you can paste it and send it to any person you want to share your file with. So guys, that's how you can create Google Drive link to share files very easily. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.